Want to cut through the noise and trade smarter? Today, we're unlocking the power of pocket option signals on Telegram, showing you how to use them to potentially boost your trading game. But remember, responsible trading is key. First, find a reliable Telegram channel providing pocket option signals. Do your research and look for channels with a proven track record and positive reviews. Be extremely careful of scammers and unsubstantiated claims. Once you've found a channel, pay close attention to the signals they send. A typical signal will include the asset to trade, the direction, either call or put, and the expiration time. Now, head over to your pocket option platform, select the asset mentioned in the Telegram signal. Next, choose the expiration time that matches the signal. Make sure you select the correct time frame. Then, based on the signal, click either the call or put button. Carefully consider your investment amount before executing the trade. It's crucial to verify the signal, compare it with other sources, check market trends, and use your own analysis. Never blindly follow signals. Risk management is paramount. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Telegram signals can be a helpful tool, but they are not a guaranteed path to profit. Combining them with your own research, analysis, and solid risk management strategies is essential for success on pocket options.